Hi guys! Today I'm gonna be showing a house tour of my grandma's house. My grandma, the new chain that I got, actually it's not very new, but yeah, I got it on vacation. Here you go, look at it. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so where I started, the living room. Bum, ba, dun, dun, dun. Here's the living room, guys. Sorry, my hand is annoying, right? The living room, my sister. Comment down below if I should stop. Okay.
I know the break.
Okay, that's a funny stuff. Memes, guys. Memes. Here's the dining. Here's the table. The kitchen. Well, this is the dining. It's a dining room. The place where I can do dining. Kitchen. Here's the laundry room. Fuck, I'm making a video. Romanian, sorry guys. Well, that's that. Okay, that's my grandma speaking Romanian. That's my grandma speaking Romanian. Don't judge me. Here are the stairs to leave. The washroom. I have to go to the washroom so bad. So after this, I'm gonna be using it. Dun, da, 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 da. My iPhone 6. 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 So yeah. I'm in the bathtub, guys. Custard. It's in the water at all. And I also have my clothes on. The bathtub's not even wet. And I just ate supper. I'm getting out. Comment down below if I need to lose weight. Probably do. See, look, I need to lose weight so much. That's the farthest my belly goes. That's so much. And yep, washroom. My grandparents' room, through my sleep. I have to sleep with them because it's such a small house, but that's okay. Right? I like my grandma's bed so much. Na 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 na. Closet. The toy room, aka where my grandpa likes to hang out. My favorite stuffy, my favorite pillow. Hi, Mr. Cuddle. He said hi. All the toys. And the door. This is actually supposed to be a bedroom because there's a closet where all my grandpa's clothes are. Sadly, my grandpa, when I sleep here, my grandpa's asleep on the couch. Okay. Sorry, I don't know how to edit. Well, bye guys.
Da cu cine vorbeai?
least you know how to speak English, Mom.
Yeah, what can I do?
Don't speak Romanian, okay?
Okay, alright. Okay, bye.
You guys, that's Romanian, just adore it. Don't laugh at me, please. Just don't comment on me lots of weird language. Just don't, please. This is the kitchen. Well, bye guys. Okay. I love you guys. Well, as friends. Well, I love you as viewers.
Yeah, we love you, viewers.
She has a crush on every boy in the world.
No, I don't. Liar.
She has a crush on Justin Bieber.
No, I don't. You liar. You liar.
She has a crush on
I don't.
Maddie B.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. Bye, guys. Have a very good day or night. For me, it's night-ish. So have a good day, evening, or night. Bye, guys. Eat your Tristans.